always a pleasure to be chairing the jury of this caliber for this event. This is now starting to gather pace and it's starting to become a prominent event in this area. I think the experience was good, particularly from my point of view, because there are so many wonderful young and upcoming CMOs who are doing such fantastic work, which normally in your day-to-day, you miss that out. But it was great reading their entries, seeing the kind of work some of the younger CMOs are doing, as well as some of the good work the more experienced CMOs are doing. So on the whole, for me, it was both a learning experience and nice to see that so much caliber is there in our marketing, in the marketing ecosystem in India. The competition was indeed intense, and the reason for that is that there are so many people of such high caliber. The jury, of course, was very experienced and had sort of various criteria to look at. In the end, the good thing was that we managed to arrive at a consensus. Some people naturally made it to the list. Some people, you had to find out more about what they had done, because it's a comparative, right? Everybody who had entered was of a good standard, but now how do you choose the best from the good? It really becomes challenging, and the jury was very engaged. We had several rounds of discussion. It was a very thorough process. So first there were independent rankings that we had done in groups on that count, and then there was a process, so that through a long list. There were over 95 entries. The jury then added another 15 or 20 more people onto that. So from this list of over 115, 120 people, to bring it down to 30, as you can imagine, was not an easy task. So after doing independent assessment, then we had discussions, and then we had through a process of elimination, we came to a shorter list. So let's say from wherever 115, 120, we brought it down to 50. Then from 50, it became harder and harder to bring it down to 40, and then from 40 to arrive at the 30, a lot of discussions, a lot of debates. But the good bit is that because this was such an experienced jury, that we unanimously could arrive at a list of 30, which we were all very happy with at the end of it. The tip I would give is that you've got to pay a little more attention to the filling up of the form. Ultimately, not every juror will know everything that you have done and will, to a large extent, go by what you have put in your form or how you have presented your case. And I do feel that in India, our packaging, so to speak, is sometimes wanting. It's not as good as it should be. So I think if a little more attention was paid by the entrants into the key highlights of what they've achieved. What is it that they have done which is different from what anybody else could have done? Because everybody is doing, a lot of people are doing a very good job, right? But what is it that you have done which should strike out? And if you present it in a succinct manner, I mean, so at the end of the day, a juror is reading tens, 20s, hundreds of forms. So it's got to strike out. And I do feel that a little more effort in crafting the entry would help many of the entrants in a big way. I'd like to commend IMAI and iProspect for taking these efforts, because it's very important to honor and shine the spotlight on people who are torchbearers, particularly in the digital sphere. Many of the winners tend to be relatively younger people because it is digital, and they adopt and adapt better. So it gives a great opportunity to shine the spotlight on them. And I would just say that it's building up to be a nice property, and you should continue it and build upon it. And it should really be a matter of honor for CMOs to get onto this list. And over the years, I think we'll see the future leaders emerging out of this list. So it's a great start. I just do hope that you keep building upon it.